Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we're going to be installing Red Eye Garage's E30 dead pedal. This is for E30s without carpet, so you're not just putting a pedal cover on, you are actually replacing the whole piece here. It comes with everything you need. You got your drill bits, your lock washers, an Allen key, and then the Allen bolts. I believe it also comes with a diagram for drilling. I don't have that. I've had this for a couple months now and I haven't installed it. So let's get to installing it. So to start off, I placed the dead pedal in here just to get an idea of where I wanted it. This is sticking out a little bit because of the wiring behind it, but that is where I want it. So I taped it off. It's nice on the flat spot of the floor, not on the firewall. Then I took the base plate and set it up right here to exactly where I wanted it, where it wasn't touching, where it ramps up onto the firewall, nice and flat on the floor. Then I took a hole punch, I don't know if that's the exact name for it, and then what you do is you push it in and it stamps it in the floor. So now I have six dots right here. So basically you push it in, figure your point, and then you do that and it gives it a nice starting point for the pilot hole. So I'm gonna go through and with the included drill bit, starting with the small one and then to the big one, go through, drill them all out, and then that's pretty much done with the install. Okay, so I got all the holes drilled out. I'm gonna cover them with some some blue tape, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit of black spray paint on the underneath to any of the bare spots, and then we're gonna finish the install. So there you have it, Red Eye Garage dead pedal installed. This thing is not going anywhere, and I only have 5 out of the 6 screws in. So blue thread locker on the screws on the bottom, just sending them up, and yeah. But besides this being in the way, I mean, this dead pedal it's solid, feels great sitting in the car, looks great. I'm glad I powder coated it. It would have looked good raw too, but matches the pedal house pedals. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.